Okay, so I've had some stainless steel bolts. Now these were cut on a lathe. It's an odd sort of size. It's M12 1.5. It's a standard size per se for thread, but not for stainless Allen caps. And the problem is with the end, just the way they finished it off, I've got a problem with these fitting. So what I've got here is a reshaped one. A handy little trick with this one's not 100% finished yet, but what I'm using is a power drill. So I'll set this up so you can see it. So power drill with part of the set that has all Torx, Allens, all the rest of it. So I've fitted the Allen in the end there, that then sits on. Now, next bit's a bit tricky to do one-handed. So let's see if I can point this in the general direction for a second. Okay, so powering up the power drill, locking it on. Right, and then with the grinder, what we reach down for, with a frat pad. Now I'm using a hand to stabilise this, so that's then going to go on there. So I need to position this, balance this on something, and hopefully not drop the phone. So let's see if this will work. That will work there. So again, just go back to balancing here. Less than ideal, I'm afraid, for the filming point of view. Bring it round so we get lighting a bit better. There we go, that'll work. So, just steadying it. Right, get even noisier. Right, then power drill off in a second. Okay. And then, seeing sister's got an empty vase. Got cooling. Right. So it's not quite finished yet. But that now fits in. I've already tested one of them. So this is one of the 3 bolts on the bracket on the Mazda. Holds the front transfer box on, hence the odd thread. It's got to match. Now the original Mazda ones were studs with nuts, but not too surprisingly the nuts having rusted with the studs, when I took them off it came out as if it was a bolt. So replacing them with stainless steel, and key thing was I had to match length and thread, so I had to get these cut. But that gives quite a nice finish, and as I say, ready tested, works perfectly. So down and dirty, as they would say. Fix, giving a nice chamfered end. Very difficult to see with the camera, but a nice start to the thread. And stainless steel, you've got to be particularly important, there's no rubs. So I've given it a power wire brush even before I started this to clean up the threads, and works absolutely perfectly. Stopping.